Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be answering the question how to add a blog to my Wix website. The first thing you want to do once you're on your Wix website, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on the third icon from the top, which is Pages and Menu. After selecting Pages and Menu, you're going to tap on Site Menu, and you can see at the moment I don't have a blog on my website, so I'm going to tap on Add Page right here. After you have selected Add Page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option once more and you're going to select Blog. After selecting Blog, you're going to tap on Add Wix Blog and you'll just give it a few seconds for it to be added onto your store. Once the Wix blog has been added onto your store, you can see right here blog, and you can also see the post page. So for example's sake, if we were to select blog, after selecting blog, you'll be redirected to the blog page and you'll just give it a few seconds, and then you can see some sample posts that has been added, as you can see here. So let's go back. So we'll tap on home in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can select blog. After selecting blog, you'll be redirected to this page and you can see the sample posts. And to add your own posts, you could tap on manage posts. After selecting manage posts, a pop-up window is going to appear. And from the pop-up window, you could tap on create new posts. After selecting create new posts, you can either add in your blog post right here, or you could go over to the left hand menu option and select AI tools, and from there you could use the Wix AI to compose a blog article for you. So you can either use it to make the full blog post, come up with a title or an outline or images, as you can see here. There are numerous features that you can use the Wix AI for. You can also use it for SEO optimization and so much more. And that's it. That's how you'll be able to add a blog to your Wix website. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.